I was walking in the dark, didn't know my way, chasing shadows, thinking night was day. So many signs, but I turned away. Now I'm here with so much to say. Ngiyabona ngiyezwa, ngiphila kodwa ngilahlekile, ngikhala ngaphakathi njengawena, Nkosi yami ngibuyile. You never left me even when I ran. Your mercy held me in your hands. Now I see what I couldn't see before. Light is knocking at my door. Ngiyabona Manje, Nkosi yami, you were there through it all for me. Forgive my heart, make me new. All my hope I place in you. Yahambe kanyeni, Lord, I trust you. Carry me. I was blind, but now my eyes are wide. All the pain I used to hide was shaping me for something more. Now I'm stronger than before. Ngiyabona ngosithethelele, zonke izono zami ngizilahla kuwe. Ngifuna ukuthula enhliziyweni, ngifuna ukuhamba endleleni yakho. You turned my tears into a song. You showed me where I belong. Now I see what I couldn't see before. Oh, light is knocking at my door. Ngiyabona Manje, Nkosi yami, you were there through it all for me. Forgive my heart, make me new. All my hope I place in you. Yahambe kanyeni, Lord, I trust you. Carry me. Take me to greener pastures, Lord, where my soul can finally rest. Ngihole Nkosi, ungilahli, ngifuna ukuhamba nawe. Even when I don't understand, I will trust your master plan. Ngizokulandela, angisabi, ngoba wena unami. Now I see I'm finally free. Chains are falling off of me. Ngiyabona Manje, hallelujah. Your grace has covered me through the storm, through the pain. I will never be the same. Yahambe kanyeni, forever I'll praise your name. Ngiyabona Manje, ngiyabonga Nkosi, ngikhululekile, ngisekukhanyeni. Ngiyabona Manje, ngiyabonga Nkosi, ngikhululekile. Ngisekukhanyeni.